Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. How are you? I think all of you are fine. I am also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is my first video class with you. I hope you will enjoy the class. Now I am going to take English literature class with you. Today's topic is fill in the blanks and true false from the story Farmer and Scoot. Are you ready? So, let's start our class. At first, we are going to learn some fill in the blanks from the chapter. Now we will do some fill in the blanks from this chapter. Number 1. Farmer Ben had a fish. Number 2. Jinka ran to the gate to get the fish. Number 3. Farmer Ben Number 3. Farmer Ben was a herdsman. Number 4. The lost boot was in the dish. Number 5. There were a couple of hares on that farm. So let's start from the first one. Farmer Ben had a hares. Can you tell me what will be the right answer? Farmer Ben had a farm. Farm will be the correct answer here. Next one. Jinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper. For his master. Farmer Ben was a herdsman. Farmer Ben was a busy man. Busy is the correct answer here. Busy. Correct answer will be busy. The lost boot was in the barn. The lost boot was in the barn. There were a couple of horses on the farm. There were a couple of horses. HORSES, couple of horses on their farm. Again, Farmer Ben had a farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Jinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper. Farmer Ben was a busy man. The lost boot was in the barn. There were a couple of horses on the farm. Okay, after this we will do some true false. We are doing some true false from this chapter, Farmer Ben's boot. True or false? Number one. Farmer Ben was very happy to see his lost boot. Can you tell me, is it true or false? Farmer Ben was very happy to see his lost boot. It is true because really he was very happy. Jinka was a cow. Jinka was a cow. Jinka was, don't touch. Jinka was a cow. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because Jinka was a dog, not a cow. A horse told about the lost boot. About the lost boot. Lost boot. Can you tell me who told about the lost boot? Horse? No. It is false because a cat. It will be false because a cat told about the lost boot. Number 4. There were 5 baby white mice. Baby white mice in the boat. In the boat. This is true. And number 5. Farmer Ben. Number 5. Farmer Ben had a smart pair of black shoe. Black shoes. Is it true or false? Can you tell me what was the color of his boot or shoe? Pair of black, smart pair of brown, black boots. What was the color of his boots? Is it black or brown? Yes, brown. So this is false. Farmer Ben was very happy to see his lost boot. Was he very happy to find his boot? Yes, he was very happy to find his boot. So it will be true. It is true. Zinka was a cow. Is Zinka was a cow? No, Zinka was a dog. So it will be false. A horse told about the lost boot. No, a horse did not tell about the lost boot. A cat told about the lost boot. So it will be false. There were 5 baby white mice in the boot. This is also true because there were 5 white baby mice. Farmer Ben had a smart pair of black boots. It is also false because Farmer Ben had a smart pair of brown boots. So it will be false. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you very much.